Okay, guys, we've got a lot of stuff to look at here. We've got some multiplication and some division, and it didn't come out great on my smartboard here, so I'll rewrite some things. In fact, let me do this just as we're beginning. I'm going to separate the board here. Let's do a line here, a line there, a line there. Okay, we'll do that. Let's look at this first one. It says negative 0.7 times 18.4. Gentlemen, what is a negative times a positive? Cole? It is negative. And then we just take the two numbers and multiply them. You had the calculator in front of you. So what did you get there, Cole? I'm going to use my calculator as well and see if you get it right.
12.88.
I got negative 12.88 as well, Cole. Excellent job. Hey, gentlemen, remember, if I multiply by a number less than 1, then my answer is going to get smaller, right? Because I'm multiplying by less than 1. That's something to think about. Okay, let's see. Teddy, I am multiplying a negative times a negative. What's the sign of my answer going to be? It's going to be positive. Good. Okay, and then I just take the numbers and multiply. So let's do that right now. I'm going to type in 4.5 times 9.25. Hey, Mr. C, why didn't you type in the negative? Because I already know what the sign of the answer is going to be. I'm just multiplying their absolute value, right? So what did you get for your answer, Fritz?
I got
41.625. Beautiful, and it's positive. Okay, great job. Now I'm looking at the next one, and guys, I'm going to rewrite this one. This one says negative 29.07 divided by negative 1.9. We won't be using that divided by sign much longer. This is just to review multiplying and dividing with positives and negatives. Armand, if I divide two negative numbers, what will my answer be? My answer will be positive. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and so should you. I'm going to type in 29.07 divided by 1.9, and I've got an answer here. Does anyone else have an answer? Simon has an answer. What'd you get? 15.3, and it is positive because I divided two negatives. Great job, Simon. Thank you. All right. And then our last one here, it says 16.83 divided by negative 3.3. All right. Good. Nico, when I divide a positive by a negative, what's the sign of my answer?
Positive by negative.
Yes. A negative. Great. So then I'm going to go ahead and do the division, and I've got 16.83 divided by 3.3. Remember, I'm not putting the signs in because I already know what the sign of the answer is going to be, and I have an answer in front of me. What answer did you get, Albert? Negative 5.1. Beautiful job. All done. Okay, any questions on that? We're looking good on that. You guys already know that, but we just want to review that stuff. Okay? Because when we're solving equations and we've got negatives on one side and positives that we're dividing and multiplying by, we want to make sure that we've got those rules down. Okay? Great job, guys, and I'll see you at example 3.